I'll press that button and within, I'd say not even 2 seconds, the call came straight through. There's a lot of gate entry systems which are using IP technology from the gate up until the house or residence or offices, and then also connects into the customer's mobile phone. But what would happen if the internet was to go down? This is where Videx have what's called a GSM door entry system. Now I have covered quite a number of videos with the system and how fantastic it is, but one of the main features with theirs is it doesn't use any IP technology. It uses traditional GSM phone. So for example, I'm pressing the button here, it's now going to ring me, and it did that within a couple of seconds. From the phone, I answer, go to keypad, press a number, and the gate's open. That's one of the key features with it. It doesn't rely on IP technology. Where they do use 4G is the units that are coming out now actually have a 4G cloud feature. And where that comes into play is when you want to update the unit. So if I wanted to change, let's say, the telephone numbers on here, I can log in to the 4G portal, shoot it up to the cloud, and come straight down to the unit. What they have brought out now as an added feature, which you can add on to the 4G units, is number plate technology as well. So what does that mean? So I can add a small interface with the 4G unit, and I can use a number plate camera to open gates, and I'll show you that working now. So how do we utilize ANPR function on the Videx GSM? So what I've got here is an ANPR camera. Can use pretty much any ANPR camera. The one that we've got linked up here is a Hikvision one. This connects into a small interface, which is then connected into the Videx GSM 4G unit. So what I've got here is a number plate, which I've programmed into the system. And simply, if I present that to the camera, so you can see that it triggered the Videx GSM and it's opened the gate. Now what you can do with the system is, let's say you've only got a 1-button GSM system, you can add up to 8 ANPR cameras utilizing some extra relays, and each one of those cameras can open an individual exit or entrance. So let me just repeat that. You can have a 1-button GSM system utilizing up to 8 ANPR cameras for 8 separate entrance or exits. So that is the Videx 4G GSM unit. And just to reiterate, you don't need to download any apps, you don't need any Wi-Fi, you don't need any internet. All you literally need is client's mobile phone, or it can dial through to a landline as well. That's how simple it is. And just to show you how quick, I'll do that once again. I'll press that button, and within, I'd say not even 2 seconds, the call came straight through. And just to prove it is mine, I'll answer it and open the gate. That's the Videx 4G GSM unit.